It was ridiculous. Out of at that time, you know, a total of more than 10,000.
And I think, did Dennis report this past week or was it this week? My time's kind of melting. There's 146.
Well, typically that would be 10 to 14 days after symptoms begin, and I'm pointing out that just because the president's symptoms have reportedly been mild now, that might not be true going forward. You know, all the experts I speak to.
Wow. Wow. Fuck. Alberta license plate CCD5. He just hit a car over there. Is he going to stop and talk to those people? I just watched him slide out and hit a car coming in here. This man, just around the corner there, you slid out and you slid forward into that car. Are you going to stop and tell him about it? I've got it on video right here. Just around the corner on this side of the street.
person who then used that firearm to murder 7 Texans and wound 25 more in the shooting spree on Labor Day weekend. She says the justice.
Whoa, shit!
Cause she spoke on the business. Go hundreds and fifties. Can't swap a dime for a penny. No, that's a stupid decision. Head first with it.
Jesus,
I shot a shot at my nigga, bitch. Really didn't think before I did it. Man.
That'll be coming. So yeah, we got a good jumps number in September, but it's what's happening now, what's unfolding now, that's going to be very significant on that front. As far as what we got moving here on Bay Street today.
If it goes off a couple times, just see if it gets louder.
Okay, I'm gonna try and make it go off. Christ! Idiot. Are you there?
Yeah.
I just got in an accident.
Okay. I'll get a phone.
Okay.